Taking a look at our new Bio Wheel Penguin 350. So 350 means it can do 350 gallons per hour. This is up to a 75-gallon tank, so this can really move some water. Let's take a look at what all comes with it. So we've got the filter itself, and it's going to use these power wheels to peel the scum and stuff off the surface. The filters fit in behind here with the carbon, which is pretty handy. And then there's another pre-filter. Then you can take your extension pipes down and bring your water in from any depth in the tank. Get that to fit in there. And essentially that's going to go down at the bottom of the extensions. All real heavy duty. There's one two-prong outlet that's going to come out the back, and there is a way to angle the exhaust or the intake as well. So that's the Penguin 350 power filter for 75-gallon tanks, move 350 gallons of water per hour. Hope this helps.